Hello and welcome back to our C++ primer course. Previously we looked at the if statement and variable types. In this episode we're going to get started looking at loops, in particular the while loop for this episode. So let's get started. So let's go through a while loop. So loops are core, especially to games programming, of how programs would work. And while loops are one of those key loops that we see. So while loop is defined quite simply as just while, and in brackets you put in the condition, and that condition we'll define in a minute, and then after that you'll have curly brackets which determines the content. So while the condition here is true, it'll iterate through what the contents of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple even or odd number checker. So I'm going to put in a variable declaration, go int, and this will be the input the player puts in. So we do player input, and we'll make it on the while loop see out the instruction, enter a even number, and let's put a new line in it. Actually no, we'll leave it like that for now. And then do cin player input, and then we can do the if statement that we learned about in the last episode. We go if player input, and here we want to check that player input is even or odd. Now, one way we could do that is we could do modulo to determine if modulo 2 is equal to 0. Modulo basically returns whether or not a value is has a remainder. Okay, so if I've done 10 modulo 5, modulo would be 0. But if I've done 10 modulo 7, the value will be 3. Yeah, so whatever's remainder of it. So I'm going to do player input here and do modulo 2, and we can check to see if that is equal to 0. And if it is, we can go you have see out would help, and you have entered an even number, and we're just going to put in the new line like so. Okay, if that is not true, we'll do else, and we'll do cout incorrect, try again, and we'll put in a new line in there as well. And what we're checking here is we're going to check to see if player input modulo 2 is equal to 0. So we're going to take this if statement and check this, and I'll copy that and put that into my player input modulo 2 equals 0. One extra bracket there, and that's going to be the condition. So whilst that is sorry, not equal to 0, not equal. If it's not equal to 0, we want it to keep doing this over and over and over again. So let's check that out in plain mode. And so one issue we're going to have here is that player input has not been set yet. So player input by default is nothing. It's going to be null value, and you can't divide by a value on that. So what we're going to do is in here we're just going to assign it a value here. I'm going to assign it 1. Okay, so player input modulo 2 will equal 1, which is not equal to 0, so therefore it'll just loop this bit here. So if I go to play that now, so I'll say enter even number, I'll type in 5, incorrect, try again, enter an even number, 6, you've entered an even number. Okay, there you go. So that's a while loop there in action, working for us. Now be careful with while loops. They are common ways to get into infinite loops if you don't put a good condition in there. But the general rule is the condition that you put in here must be something that happens inside of the loop. Otherwise, it will never leave it. Okay, so bear that in mind when you are putting these things together. And there we go, that's the while loop done. The while loop is just one of a few loops we'll be looking at. In the next episode, we'll be looking at the for loop. So you can watch the next episode right now over on patreon.com/Ryan Laley. You can find all my videos early before anyone else. Massive thanks to all my Patreon members and YouTube members for their continued support. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for future updates, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.